subscribe to Android Discovery Channel, and press the bell icon to watch the interesting and exciting technology video first. Today Garmin is launching its latest smartwatch, the Garmin Lily, which is a stylish and new smartwatch made for women. This is why Garmin aims to make its smallest smartwatch with a 34mm case, and a 14mm band with a T-shaped lug. Along with the 2 stylish models and 6 colorways, Lily is an attractive smartwatch with plenty of health features that makes it a compelling option against many of the best Android smartwatches. The 2 models are the Classic and Sport. The former is made with a stainless steel frame and comes with a classy Italian leather band, while the latter is made from aluminium and is paired with a silicone band ideal for the more active user. They're designed to look similar, but each model's 3 colorways reflect the various tastes and lifestyles of Garmin's customers, according to the company's Vice President of Global Consumer Marketing, Susan Lyman. Lily is truly a first-of-its-kind smartwatch, feminine, sophisticated, and rooted in fashion with important health and fitness features. Garmin remains committed to creating products that fit the needs of our female customers, and in this case, it's a small, on-trend smartwatch with features designed for today's active women. The Garmin Lily's monochromatic LCD is available with just a touch and almost seems to vanish behind a patterned lens when not in use. With this, users have 24/7 respiration, pulse ox, stress, hydration, sleep, and heart rate monitoring. Garmin Lily can also track your menstrual cycle and offers pregnancy tracking, allowing users to log symptoms and data from the watch with the Garmin Connect app. The watch can even monitor energy levels to help you schedule the best time for working out or sleep. Garmin Lily Sport Lifestyle. As for working out, your smartwatch can connect to many different sports apps. Then when it's time to wind down, the watch will lead you through breathing exercises to help you relax. Garmin Lily uses connected GPS, so your smartphone will provide it with accurate location tracking when out on a run. It supports phones running Android 6.0 and higher, so even the best cheap Android phones will suffice. And with Live Track, the watch provides an extra level of security with real-time location tracking for emergency contacts, which should give you and your loved ones added peace of mind. With all this, along with smartphone connectivity features like notifications and text messaging, the Garmin Lily still manages to offer an impressive 5-day battery life. The Garmin Lily smartwatch is available now in both its Classic and Sport models. The Lily Classic retails for $249, while the Lily Sport can be had for just $199. So friends, expected if you like this video, then friends, subscribe to our channel and like and share the video. I need your love and support. I will continue to bring you such exciting technology videos every day. Thank you.